What if the $80,000 degree you've been told to chase is being replaced by a $300 certificate? Not in 10 years. Not in theory. Right now, Google, IBM, Meta, they're quietly hiring people without college degrees. And millions are skipping university for something faster, cheaper, and laser-focused. It's micro-credentials. So are we witnessing the death of the traditional college degree? Let's dive in. The collapse of the old path. For decades, the formula was simple. Go to college, get a degree, land a good job, live happily ever after. But the system broke. Tuition exploded. Student debt in America, over $1.7 trillion. And half of recent grads are underemployed, working jobs that didn't need a degree in the first place. Meanwhile, employers started asking a different question. Can you actually do the job? That's where micro-credentials come in. Enter micro-credentials. Micro-credentials are like skill sprints. Instead of 4 years of theory, they teach you exactly what you need fast. Want to become a data analyst? Google's certificate takes 6 months. Want to work in UX design? Coursera's got you covered in under 8 weeks. Amazon's AWS cloud certification? Average salary? On $130,000. Even Ivy League schools are getting in. Harvard, Stanford, MIT all offering short, stackable programs online. And they cost less than a single textbook from your college bookstore. Data-driven proof. This isn't speculation, it's backed with numbers. A 2025 Coursera study found that 90% of employers are willing to pay 10 to 15% higher starting salaries to candidates with micro-credentials. Even more, 96% say these credentials boost job applications and 85% would choose them over applicants without. On average, 28% of entry-level employees with a micro-credential received a pay raise, and 21% earned a promotion within the year. According to LinkedIn and Coursera data, 87% of employers worldwide have hired at least one micro-credential holder in the past year. Meanwhile, demand for skills-based hiring is exploding. 9 in 10 employers now use micro-credentials for skills-based hiring, valuing skills over degrees. Will they really replace college? Now let's be real. Micro-credentials won't replace college for everyone. Doctors, lawyers, architects, degrees still rule. But for careers in tech, marketing, design, analytics, project management, the rules are being rewritten. Imagine this. A 19-year-old skips college, spends $1,000 on 5 certificates, builds a portfolio, starts working, no debt, no delay. Now fast forward 5 years. They've earned more, spent less. And they're not paying off loans. They're building wealth. That's not a loophole. That's the new ladder. The future is hybrid. So will micro-credentials wipe out degrees? Probably not. But they will change the value of degrees forever. The future is hybrid. A university degree plus hands-on micro-certs. Lifelong learning, not one big commitment. Skills that evolve with the job market. Because in a world where AI, automation, and entire industries are shifting every 5 years, the smartest workers aren't the ones with the most degrees. They're the ones who never stop learning. Closing. So here's the big question. Would you bet your future on a 4-year degree or on skills you can start using next week? Because micro-credentials aren't just a trend. They're a revolution in how we learn, work, and rise. And the people who win in this new world aren't the ones with the fanciest diploma. They're the ones with proof they can deliver today. Want more insights on the future of education, learning, and innovation? Hit that subscribe button to the Education Magazine and tell us in the comments. Would you hire someone without a degree if they had the right skills?